What's up, Go family? Today I'm gonna go over the full exhaust system from the front to the back. But first, let's start off with these 6-piston calipers. Tell me that doesn't look nice. In the rear, we got the 4-piston. Eventually, I'm gonna fit a taller tire on there, like a 305/45. Right now, it's a 275/40/17. I did some test fitting the other day. A 305 will fit. But to start off with the front, it has Kooks long tube headers to a Kooks catless mid pipe to a Corsa catback system. And let me be honest, I'm in love with the sound. I'll give you guys a little test right now. The cam is a 600 lift, so it's a big cam. Cold start. But yeah, they did an awesome job, not gonna lie. Corsa performance for the win. It has a comp cam in it, 600 lift. Pretty rowdy cam, but I'm in love with it. I wonder if I should do two-step. I'll do two-step for you guys. My little secret button down here. They did a phenomenal job doing this setup. I'm in love. Especially having long tube headers helps a lot. But yeah, guys, that's it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.